Tech icon billionaire Elon Musk's newest project is the Tesla Tiny House, an affordable house aimed towards sustainable living. Elon continues to revolutionize aspects of our lives, with housing being the next project he has undertaken. Know more about it, so stay tuned to the video. Welcome to Top Tech and Trades channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click on that little bell at the upper right part of your page. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla Motors, has a house that is far less expensive than a single Tesla automobile. The world's first small house will be packed with a cutting-edge technology and futuristic devices. In a statement released on June 14, he stated that he was going to sell his house. The fact that he said in a previous post that his primary residence is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, there's no doubt that Musk's Tesla residence designer is a genius. But who planned it and who constructed it? The name of the company is Boxable. Boxable announced on YouTube late last year that the company has recently finished the construction of a casita house in Boca Chica for a high-profile customer. The customer looks to be tied to SpaceX, although Elon Musk must be the customer. The house is intended to be a studio dwelling for 1 or 2 people. According to Galliano Tiramani, founder of Boxable, the average time it takes to construct a house is 7 months. A Boxabl Casita is a studio apartment that comes in a box and is meant to be both ecologically and energy efficient. The plan is to focus this at auxiliary housing units, which are growing increasingly popular in California. In response to this part, Tiramani launched the brand in 2017 with the intention of turning building construction throughout the world into a factory assembly line like any other product. Despite the fact that some of the processes require lifting equipment, the remaining ones are relatively straightforward and can be done by individuals. The outside wall becomes a floor after it's unfolded, and the 2 side walls are exposed. The roof covers the whole building once it has been expanded. This improvised house has 5 rooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, a living room, a bedroom, and a media room. A Boxable house costs $49,000 and comes with a refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, microwave, built-in ironing center, and low-energy technologies, resulting in a cheaper monthly power expense. There are several reasons why people prefer Boxable Casita homes in the midst of housing shortages. The biggest one is their time, cost, and labor efficiency in building homes in a factory. Currently, there are about 50,000 people on the company's wait list who have showed interest in the company's prefab house portfolio, which includes over 100,000 units. This isn't totally because of Elon Musk's supporters' desire to live his life as he does at any cost. In fact, it was reported that Boxable had already built a wait list of 40,000 people before Elon fans joined the group. Boxable has built 3 houses to date. There's a proof that 2 of them are at their headquarters, but it's uncertain if the 3rd is there as well. Apart from the corporate headquarters, the company operates a brand new 170,000 square foot factory where new orders are about to be filled. Additionally, the buildings measuring 19.5 by 19.5 may be stacked and connected to create bigger structures. However, if you want a larger prefab home, you might want to wait a little longer. According to Tiramani, the business plans to offer bigger units in the future. He argues that Musk's affiliation with the brand has sparked widespread interest in homes. Tiramani said the target audience heard about this beforehand, and then the Musk press brought it in general audience interest. Folding houses, according to Boxable, are critical to optimizing transportation efficiency. These modular homes are often 14 feet wide, requiring accompanied trucks and a recognized wide load notice on the roadway. Because the foldable homes from Boxable are just 8 feet wide, they don't require any extra help from their owners. As a result, the dwellings may be sent to any location at a cheaper shipping cost. According to Tiramani, The only way to tackle housing issues is to use technology-based solutions like this. It's truly a supply and demand situation. If there's greater supply, the price will fall. The business will begin building its first order for the Department of Defense, consisting of 156 dwellings in the next coming weeks. It is hoped that the activities will be expanded in the future and that additional residences will be erected. At present, there are more than 100,000 people on the waiting list, hoping to find their next home. In some states, you can get free delivery, but there may be an additional charge for remote areas. Note that the $50,000 price covers permit delivery and unpacking, as well as any other expenses that may be required. This is a unique property. Plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning have already been installed. It's crucial to realize that the Model X is valued $799,999, which is more than the house. Maybe this is why Elon Musk made his decision. And maybe you're wondering why he got rid of all those additional possessions. Musk appears to be doing this in order to limit his carbon impact as much as possible. Musk, unlike other billionaires, does not possess boats or multi-million-dollar houses. For many years, the Tesla CEO has attempted to live in this manner. He has repeatedly mentioned that he will downsize his house, so it's not surprising that he has done so. Furthermore, it is commonly known that Musk halted Bitcoin payments for Tesla automobiles, owing to worries about sustainability, as one of Tesla's basic beliefs is sustainable development. So it's understandable that he'd choose to live in a little space. Tiny houses utilize less energy and have a smaller footprint than traditional homes. They're also tough, able to sustain snow loads in 90% of North America and can be adapted to bear snow loads in the remaining 10%. As a result, these homes have a smaller impact on the environment. Although the Boxable Casita can accommodate 2 people, Musk likely lives with his partner Grimes and their 1-year-old son. He had possessed a few big houses, but in December 2021, he sold his last one. According to Futurism, he just sold his property for $30 million and moved into an apartment. As far as we can tell, Musk has no regrets about his decision. In any event, it's unclear if he still rents the prefab he rented earlier this year or whether he now owns a $50,000 prefab. Whatever the circumstances, we are convinced that it is a more environmentally friendly way of life than owning multiple mansions. To tell you the truth, it sometimes feels as though he's come to change every part of our life, and a home like this is just another step in that direction. Now, what do you think about Elon's new tiny house venture? Will this be the future of affordable housing? Let us know what you think. Comment down below. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and hit the like button. This is your Top Tech and Trades channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.